How to write a business plan. A man walked into a bank with just 5 pages and walked out with $1,000. No collateral, no contacts, just one thing, a business plan that could move mountains. Would yours? The silent weapon. Let's face it, most of us think a business plan is a boring Word document filled with jargon that no one reads. But the truth? It's your weapon of conviction, your blueprint to freedom. Behind every successful startup pitch, every investor nod, every bank loan approval, there's one thing in common. A plan that tells a story better than any elevator pitch ever could. So if you're dreaming of starting your business, raising funds, or just proving your idea to yourself, this isn't optional. It's mission critical. Let me walk you through it, but not like a textbook. We're going to feel this plan, not just write it. The traps most people fall into. Let me tell you what most first-time entrepreneurs do. They start by writing about their amazing idea. Without defining a customer, they copy-paste financials from a template, without understanding their own margins. And worst of all, they focus on how they'll make millions, instead of how they'll survive the first 3 months. You don't need 50 pages. You don't need fancy graphs. You need clarity, raw, emotional, ruthless clarity. And I'm going to give it to you in 6 real, powerful parts. The real structure, feel every word. 1. The executive summary. This isn't a summary. It's your first impression. Imagine someone only reads this page. Would they still believe in you? Include the problem, your solution, what you want, funds, partnership, etc. Write it last. Place it first. 2. The problem you're solving. Be emotional. Be personal. Why does this problem matter? If it doesn't hurt you, it won't move anyone else. Numbers are great, but pain moves people. 3. Your solution and product. Don't just describe what you sell. Show how your solution changes a life. Is it faster? Cheaper? More ethical? More accessible? Make it tangible. 4. Your market. Who are you selling to? Be honest. If your answer is everyone, you've already failed. Find your tribe. Define your enemy. Understand their behavior. 5. Your business model. How will you make money? Subscriptions? One-time sales? Freemium? Lay it bare. And yes, write down what your costs will be. Brutally. 6. Your financial plan. 3 key things. Projected revenue. Expected expenses. Break-even point. Don't lie. Don't exaggerate. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about when you stop losing. Remember, anyone can write a business plan, but very few can make someone believe in it. And that's what changes your life. Not the font, not the buzzwords, but the truth in your story. If you're building this to escape a 9-5, if you're solving a problem your family has faced for years, if you're risking everything, your savings, your sleep, your peace, then let it bleed through your words. Because no investor funds a spreadsheet. They fund conviction. And note, your business plan isn't for the bank. It's not for the investor. It's for you. If you can't read it and feel goosebumps, if you can't believe it with your whole heart, why should anyone else? And if this video gave you clarity, share it with someone who's building silently. Because behind every life-changing business, there's always a moment when someone stopped dreaming and started planning. Don't wait for the perfect time. Write the damn plan.